Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the training of the Modicon M221. In this video what we're going to see is how we can simulate the PLC program and also simulate an HMI in Operator Terminal Expert and then make the communication go. So let's go first to the software. So I'm going to start from scratch an application on EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic. So I'm going to put this inactive, but I totally recommend you to have this kind of protection. So if we just want to test how the logic works and how we can share the values with the HMI, there is no need to configure this part at the moment. Okay, for the communication, it doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do is to just go to the programming and create something. So I'm going to create a %m variable. I'm going to use an internal variables. I'm going to use a write trigger and use a counter. So what I'm going to do now here is to assign the %m0. They're going to assign the %s5, I believe. Yes. And then I'm going to make a counter and w0 and w0 0 plus 1. So as soon as I activate this, it will generate, it will count this variable up. So let's give it a name. So we can use this as enable. Okay, CMD enable, apply. That is abbreviated variable name. So here I'm going to use indication counter. Apply. That's fine. So what we can do now is to save the project and then have it in one specific location to use. So I'm going to save it. Let me just see where I can save it. So I created a folder called delete me training. So I'm going to call this training M221 training. You're going to save this in this location. It will generate this SMBP if I'm not wrong. Let me just double check where is. So it will generate this file SMBP. That will help us to save this in one specific location. And then we can use this to import the variables that we have used. So now that I have this, I'm going to just launch the simulator from here, launch simulator, but the simulator uses one specific port. So if we go to here, where is it now? System, this one, simulator port. So this one is the one the port it uses, okay, just in case you are not able to execute it by any reason, you need to check that one. So now we just simulate this part. You can see now here the simulator and this one is running. It's fine. As soon as I give this one the run, it will do something. So now that we have this, we just need to go to Operator Terminal Expert. So in the Operator Terminal Expert, let me just move this aside. Let's just create a project. In my case, it doesn't matter, but this is just to show you how it is done. So all we need to do here is to add a driver, Schneider Electric, Model TCP, okay. Here I'm going to say my M221. The IP address is the one on your PC because we are simulating everything in one place. Here, port number 502. This is very important. You need to match this. The address in this part, which is fine. Now it's time to import the value. You can manually use it like this. So it's a word. So it's going to be I or indication counter. And here just select the source, M221, scan rate, and here just select the address, 0, and then for the Boolean cmd enable, change the source, and then the offset dm. That's fine, it works. But if you have too many variables, probably it can be a little bit too much work. So what we can do is to have the symbol link here, symbol link. We have only Modbus. So if I'm not wrong, it's only activate the ones for the that we have defined a name. So we can use this one and then just import. Let me just find the file and then we can continue. So this import, and here we just need to find where's the new file. You can see here is this one, delete me training, and here name driven only Modbus. We can see this one. I don't remember right now the differences. And there we go. We just add the one that we are using it. This is one that we wanted. Okay, so we can use this. So if we go back here to the screen, just to show you that it works. The screen, and just add those two that have been already imported. So I'm going to use this one for the numeric. Oops, this one for the numeric. I'm going to link this to the one that I imported, this one. And then I'm going to add the toggle switch to enable or disable the counter to this one. So then if I simulate this, you need to simulate, no device simulate. Okay, and let's just put this one and simulator all together. True, and you can see it's counting. You can see it works. Okay, so this is how you can simulate in one PC the Modicon M221 PLC and an HMI on EcoStruxure Operator Terminal Expert. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.